Hello Vivan,
Hello.
I'm here to ask you a few questions. Are you cool with that?
Yes.
So let's start. Describe your board prep year in one word.
Hard work.
Who do you think was more nervous on the result day, you or your parent?
Obviously, my parents.
What was your reaction when you saw Vivan's result?
For me, it was more than what I expected. I would say whatever he has done, he has made all of us very proud. सब बहुत खुश हुए.
What's your secret weapon? Flashcards, formulas, or fear?
Fear, it keeps you motivated.
Was there any subject that felt like therapy?
Yes, maths and science felt like therapy. I liked doing some, so it helped me calm down.
Was there a subject you secretly hoped he'd ask you for help with, but he never did?
IT.
Hindi.
Which subject did you think you'd score lower in, but you didn't?
I thought I would score lower in my Hindi exams, but I scored a 95.
So how did you find out about Arjun Academy?
I've been studying that from class 8 in location 4.
Be honest, how often did you actually revise what your teacher taught you the same day?
I did it every day.
What's the weirdest or funniest feedback a teacher has ever given you?
I think Keshav sir always does something funny in order to help us calm down and lighten the mood.
Did you maintain communication with his teachers to track his progress?
Every time. I think I disturbed Keshav sir a lot.
How did you actually deal with a lecture that you found tough?
I asked my teachers to clarify it for me. For example, Keshav sir helped me solve human and numericals, while Vang sir also helped me during my exams when I had some doubts in MCQs.
What's the one line your teacher has always said to you and that's stuck in your head?
Always work hard.
Were your parents a reminder alarms or cheerleaders?
Both.
What was your role in his board prep?
For me, it was everything. खाना पीना देखना सब कुछ.
Would agree to it. मतलब she has about 99.99% of the role to play. मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा role नहीं है उसके success में. I'm being very honest.
Do you follow any ritual or routine with your teachers before your boards?
I always call them before my board exams to get their blessings.
What did exam mornings look like in your house?
I went to drop him for the exams every day. Exam के दिन I made sure that I had to drop him and wish him all the best before he gets into the exam hall.
मॉर्निंग क्या मैं तो हमको लगता है हम लोग मैं तो फर्स्ट डे सोई नहीं थी. I was tense and excited too. तो ठीक.
If you had to sit through one more lecture again, just for fun, whose would it be?
Education first class physics.
What did a typical study day look like for you?
For me, I came from school, I relaxed for some time, then I studied, it was late in the night, I studied late into the night and then wrapped up and woke up for school again.
What part of his journey made you the proudest? Not the marks, but the effort?
He was there on his phone on a regular basis. In spite of that, he scored 98%. मैं हमेशा बोलती थी पढ़ लो. मम्मी पढ़ लूंगा ना, थोड़ा सा गेम खेल लेगा.
What changes did you make at home to support his studies?
Switch off the TV. I think one year तक तो हमारे पास कोई सब्सक्रिप्शन था ही नहीं. Was like कि वेकेशंस पे नहीं जाना है, तो हम लोग वेकेशंस पे भी नहीं गए थे.
So we'll be playing a rapid fire round.
Okay.
Notes or mind maps?
Notes.
Morning study or late night grind?
Late night grinds.
Last minute revision or well planned prep?
Both.
Best brain fuel? Maggie, coffee or chocolate?
Coffees.
If you could give one message to every other student preparing for boards right now, what would it be?
I would say that you have to be consistent from the starting. You have to always study. Don't start during the mid of the year.
What would be your advice to other parents of board giving students?
They should always be with their child. ये कहते हैं कि अरे बड़ा हो गया क्लास 10 में खुद कर लेगा. नहीं, I don't like this. Wherever they need the support, we should always be there.
My advice to all the parents would be don't put too much pressure on the child. Every child is different. Every child has different strengths and different weaknesses. Studies बहुत important part है life का, पर इतना भी important नहीं है कि पूरा life है. अगर सचिन को स्टडी कराया जाता तो सचिन तेंदुलकर आज सचिन तेंदुलकर नहीं होता.
Okay, if boats were a movie, your movie title would be
One idiot.
One Idiot. Okay, thank you.